Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning a quick and easy step on how to change your Western Union account's password. If you want to change your Western Union account's password, then the process is quite easy, so make sure you watch the video until the end. First of all, open a web browser of your preference. In the URL box at the top, type in westernunion.com and search. Once you get to the official website, click on the login button at the top right hand corner. Now, click on Need Help Logging In. Once you get to the login page, enter your email address on the next field and click on Send me the reset link. You will now receive a password reset link sent to you via your email. Click on Check your email and log into your email inbox. Click Open the email from Western Union and click on Reset my password. Now, enter the new password you would like to change to for your Western Union account and type it down in the first text box. While creating a password, you'll need to meet certain criteria displayed in the pop-up. Now enter the password once again in the next field and finally click Reset Password to change to a different password for Western Union. And that's how you will be able to change your password quickly. Every time you log into your account, you will now need to enter the newly created password. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.